so not often I need notes about any Porsche, but this 356 I definitely need notes. We have the original bill of sale for this car. It was sold to a Dr. Ricky. It's obviously 63 years old. He traded in a Ford Thunderbird for this car. Lots of original spec to it, so all the panels are original, the seats are original, the engine not so. It's had an SE engine in it in its life. It's now got a new engine, rebuilt crank and so on and so forth. But things like the interior, there's only one headrest on the passenger side. That was because the wife used to go on long trips with the husband. She wanted the seat to recline and able to sleep, hence one headrest. So there's lots of original parts about this car. Never welded, gorgeous to own. It came over here about 10 years ago. It had been resprayed blue. It's now back in its original silver. You're buying a really gorgeous 356 that has superb history. We believe there were 4 or 5 owners in the States. There have been 2 over here, but they were the same people. Now looking for a new home, and it's a gorgeous piece of Porsche history.